In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a slick pop-up effect for your text in Premiere Pro and how to save it as a preset so you can reuse it anytime. Let's get started. First, grab the type tool and add your text. Make any adjustments you need, font size, style, then center it up nicely by aligning it both horizontally and vertically. Open the Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag Transform onto your text layer. Next, head over to Effect Control, click the scale stopwatch to create your first keyframe. Set the scale to 70, we're starting small. Now move 3 frames forward, just tap the arrow key 3 times, 1, 2, 3, set the scale to 130, that's our pop moment. Move forward another 3 frames, 1, 2, 3, set the scale back to 100, nice and balanced. Now let's add some motion blur. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and manually bump it up to 360. Now here's the cool part, let's save it as a preset so you don't have to redo all this next time. Right-click on Transform, select Save Preset, give it a name, something like Text Pop works great. Make sure to choose Anchor to Endpoint, then click OK. Now anytime you've got a fresh text layer with no animation, like this one, just search for your preset in the Effects panel, drag and drop it onto the layer, and voila, instant pop-up animation. That's it for this one, quick, clean, and super useful. Thanks for watching and keep those edits popping.